Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today I want to share with you guys an app that is a must download if you're a big SpaceX fan or just a space fan in general like me. So there's this awesome new app called Pocket Rocket that was released last week. So Pocket Rocket, like I said, it's an amazing app that is a must download. So the app is about $4 American, I'm pretty sure, so that means like $2 extra for Canadian. And so this is how it looks when the first time you open up the app. So it's really nice, and as you can see here, you get to see every single SpaceX rocket right in the introduction. It's just a really nice way just to open up the app for the very first time. And yeah, it's just an amazing app. And I think like just paying for that, it's like amazing just to watch this. So the app is really nice, is designed really nice. So let's check it out. So of course you'll get of course some of the things that you'll get when you get the app is of course you'll be able to see the history of the rocket launches as well from SpaceX. You'll be able to see the models of the rockets as well and future rocket launches as well with the notifications. So the app, even though it is a paid app, there is an in-app subscription based as well. So there's three tiers, of course. So there's the Plus. So in the Plus, of course, you'll be able to get just launch reminders and updates. On the silver one, of course, you'll be able to engrave your name inside the Falcon Heavy here, and more exclusive features as well. And of course, in the gold as well is just an engrave your ship inside the Starship Super Heavy, which is the ship that SpaceX is working on to take, I think, people to Mars or something like that. And so yeah, it's just three tiers if you want to support more the application as well. So when you're done, of course, you allow notification. Of course, I want to know when the next SpaceX rockets are launched. Of course. So this is how it looks, of course, and as you can see, there's an upcoming launch here. So you just have to click here, and then there you go, the upcoming launches that are going to be launching soon. And yeah, it's just a really fantastic app as well, and it just looks fantastic. So you could go to the history mode here, so like this one, and then here when you tap one that you want to know more about, what I like about it, it also shows the YouTube video as well from SpaceX. So because pretty much every single one of them is documented and then uploaded on YouTube for you to watch if you missed the launch as well. And so yeah, it's just a really great app. And of course, you get to see, of course, where it was launched. The app, you get to know some really detailed information about the rocket. So yeah, you'll be able to see the serial number, the crew, of course, the customer of it, and yeah, it's just, and of course all that detailed information if you're just want to know more about the launch as well. And so yeah, it's just a really great information right here. But another thing that I like about this app and the developers, what they did is that they take advantage of the AR capabilities that you could do with the iPhone. And that's really big here. So you can actually see the model of the rocket right here. You can play around with it and just see nice and close up as well. Um, and yeah, it's just really great. You get to play around with the model and just have fun with it, of course, like that, and just see how it looks, everything in really nice detailed information as well. So it's very detailed. And yeah, it's just really great as well. But there's another thing that's really, like I said, it's not just this, the AR model right here. It's also in AR in the real world. So if you click here, of course, you place it, and then of course you just move around your phone, and it should be popping up right there. I want it. So there you go. So you'll have a detailed model of the rocket right here, and as you can see, it's a really big model right there. I'm gonna make it smaller. So there we go. And you can just play around with it, of course. You can move it around. And yeah, it's just really great if you want to have fun and just see much more detailed information. And so yeah, it's just a, like I said, it's just a really great app if you're a big, huge SpaceX fan. Of course, developers did say that they will be updating the app so that it supports other types of rocket launches and not just SpaceX launches. So yeah, like I said, really great app, and I highly recommend it if you're a SpaceX fan, or just a space fan in general, and you just want to know more. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this app and the download app of the week, I guess. If you guys enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to the channel, or you could also like the video. So I will see you guys later. Peace.